Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can use your TCL Smart TV voice control. So there are two ways to do that. So one of the ways is that on the remote, you can simply navigate to the top left corner. And if you click to speak, then this is where you can navigate by your Google Assistant. So it is listening now. I can say like open Netflix, and then it is going to follow my command. Right now I'm far away from the TV, so that is why. But the other way to use your TCL Smart TV with your voice control is by your remote. So on the remote itself, there is a voice control button. So right here is the voice control button. If I press here, it is also going to say that pair your remote. To pair the remote for it to hear me. So the remote, TCL Smart TV remote, also has a microphone on it. So this is where, if you can see, the microphone is onto your TCL remote. So you can also use this as a voice control. So if I click here, it is going to show me to pair it by clicking these two buttons. So I'm going to click these two buttons, and now it says pairing. So now it is paired. And now I can simply click on this button on Google Assistant. Hey, open Netflix.
Opening Netflix.
So this is how you can use your voice command. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.